So hi guys, welcome to Helmet Thoughts. So right now there is Navratri going on, and now today is a Friday, and I am near Nesco, where there are a lot of people who come here to play Garba. So I can expect some traffic ahead. So this is the Nesco Center, but I think the Garba that happens is Aage. So I still need to buy the pair of gloves. So मुहूर्त नहीं आने वाला है. I better find the old gloves only. So I thought I'll record today, and बारिश का तो अभी भी there is no ठिकाना. मतलब it's almost September end now, but oh look at that. I don't know if the camera can capture that. There is a Kingfisher Ultra का bottle.
शाबाश बेटा.
Now, is it Ultra or Ultra Max? I don't know, man. I wouldn't know that. Anyways, yeah, so it's almost September end and it's still raining. It's so unpredictable, man, this rain. आज सुबह को when I left, it was like so sunny, गर्म हो रहा था. And while coming back, it's raining. I don't have the raincoat. But yeah, it's fine. So I thought I'll record today because I'm traveling the entire next week, so I'll not be able to record. And then, so I thought today is a good day to record. It is a good day and the only day to record because tomorrow I'm leaving. The weather has become pleasant. It is raining, but एकदम हल्के से it's drizzling, which is okay. I don't mind that. गर्मी नहीं है. And it's a Friday, so it's fine. I'm wearing white pants, so I don't want to get into a pothole. And it's very easy to get into a pothole in Mumbai. Varsha raincoat. Guy is fully prepared. How is he carrying a raincoat today? I don't know. Because आज सुबह को there was no chance you can predict कि बारिश होगा. No chance. Guy must be following some person who's giving the right weather updates. Or he's just carrying a raincoat ऐसे ही. Because he knows how unpredictable हो चुका है the weather. And I have this overconfidence कि बारिश मिलेगा ही नहीं. So I'm like going to travel to Thailand soon. So I was thinking whether I should apply for that international driving license. Can I record there? I was like still into two minds. क्या करूँ? And जितने भी लोगों को I've said कि I'm going to Thailand, and people are like make these funny faces and they give you a look like
Yeah, boy.
and I'm thinking अरे भाई थाईलैंड में और भी चीजें हैं करने को. क्लास में शादी के बाद क्यों जा रहे हैं भाई थाईलैंड? So I don't know if you guys know, I'm married and I got married last year. People are asking me why I'm going to Thailand after I'm getting married, after I got married. So, and the funny thing is we were deciding where to go and my wife suggested Thailand. So इसमें I just said yes. I mean, I get a new place to explore, but it is not my idea. My wife said it. Now my friends are asking me, Thailand, किसके साथ? Said wife के साथ. Then shameless people are asking me, किसके wife के साथ? What the fuck? किसके wife के साथ? अरे भाई खुद के wife के साथ ही Thailand पे there are, you know, you can do more things also. You can go to, so we've decided to go to Phuket, Krabi and Bangkok of course. So there are a lot of things that you can do. So अभी तक वो what to do is something that is yet to be, you know, decided. But the booking and all is done. किसकी वाइफ के साथ रियली अरे भाई थोड़ा जल्दी क्रॉस करो एंड माई फ्रेंड्स आर लाइक दिस शेमलेस पीपल एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट माई फ्रेंड्स यू नो इट इज you know guys in general are like dirty minded. I am not one of them. I asked my friend if he wants to come to play football and he's like no घर में पूजा है.
नमः दैवी प्रसादाय नमः पैसाय नमः.
So I said okay. So I thought the conversation ended there but it did not. He replied भगवान का पूजा है. तो मैंने लिखा कि या आई अंडरस्टूड समझा मेरे को. देन उस पे ही से नहीं भगवान का पूजा है भगवान का पूजा ही से लड़की पूजा नहीं है घर पे यू नो भगवान का पूजा है तो यू थिंक लड़की पूजा है घर पे. आई सेड आई नेवर थॉट दैट ऐसा कुछ भी. उस पे यू नो इज रिप्लाइंग कि I know how big harami you are. I know you बचपन से. Anything you tell this particular friend and he will उसमें write. बचपन से I know you. I never had this thought. I mean, even when you are listening to this story, even you might not be having this thought. Unlike some actual harami people who might have, you know, got this joke. who might have actually thought कि घर में पूजा लड़की है.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
But I definitely thought कि घर में भगवान का ही पूजा है. But this is how guys are. Girls, be aware. So next week I am on leave. As I'm traveling, I am going to log in one day that will be working from outstation. I'm traveling to Patna, Bihar for the first time. So, yeah. So if this particular plan did not happen, the Patna ka plan, my wife is from Patna. So, this particular plan did not happen, so I would have, you know, gone to Goa. I am from Goa, and I usually visit more than once a year, Goa. And so this year, because of the hectic schedule, I was not able to go to Goa. So. And I thought कि ठीक है, even if I don't go, it's fine. I'll probably end up going year end पे sometime. So year end is coming soon, and still नहीं जाने को मिला है. Why is this guy honking, man? भाई किधर जाना है? What? Look at this. ये शेयरिंग में ये है as many as you can put in the rickshaw he'll put. Yeah, so I thought year end पे I'll go to Goa and वो तो हुआ नहीं अभी तक but I always find a way to go to Goa.
शाबाश बेटा.
So probably 3, 4, 5 days के लिए but if this plan did not happen, I would have gone to Goa for like 6-7 days. But yeah, it's okay. I mean, I have never been to Patna also, so that is a good place, you know, maybe to visit for the first time. And my wife wants me to see Patna, where she was born and brought up, and you know, all of those, you know, places where she was grown up. So yeah, because whenever I go to Goa, I make sure I visit the temples. My mother is always behind me. Whenever I say I'm going to Goa, her first question is not how you are going. Her first question is when are you going to the mandir, the Kaoka mandir. So whenever I go there, I keep one day to visit the temple. Oh, that's a beautiful murti. Actually, the thing is, you know, I'm traveling a lot. So today is like, I think the 23rd or 24th of September. And kitna mahina bacha hai? October, November, December, right? 3 months are left. 3 months mein I'm traveling to Thailand, I'm traveling to Himachal, I'm traveling to Patna, and I'm traveling to I have to do another short trip to the Malvan maybe or Mahabaleshwar, and usme I want to add Goa also. So this is you know, when it becomes thoda sa tricky to do like 4-5 trips in like 3 months. So, but it'll happen, let's see. And abhi to this Malvan ka ferry is also started. So, and started matlab, it is like, it was supposed to start some August May. I don't see and get in, you know, I didn't see an option to book the ferry. But once it starts, you can go to Sindhudurg, and wahan se you can, you know, go to Goa. Because I mean, you can go to Goa from Mumbai also, but I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know the roads kaisa hai, and it'll take time also, and I'm lazy. So and chutti ka to hai hi problem, because you know, I'm making so many trips year end pe, so usme chutti lagta hai. So if that ferry starts, then it'll be awesome, man. I mean, you can go to Sindhudurg, and then udhar se you can go to Goa much faster. And the thing is, if you are going to Sindhudurg, and you can also, you know, stay Malvan mein, and then you can stay there and go to Goa, and or else if you want to skip all of that, just take a flight. I'll just take a flight and chill there. Let's see. A friend of mine is always ready. You should always have this friend who is always ready.
10 मिनट में आ भाई 10
My building people must be thinking, अरे भाई एक और आ गया moto vlogger.
No! God, please, no! No!
Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye bye.